Control accounts. Paper code 7110, 22 May June 2017. Umar control accounts. We are discussing CIE exam paper with solution. Have a look on question. Umar sells goods on credit and maintains a sales ledger control account. The following information is available for the month ended 31 March 2017. Amount owing by credit customer. This is actually the balance brought down or the opening balance for this particular sales ledger control account. Checks from credit customer. This is what we had received. So this is actually decreasing our sales ledger control account, which is also known as the trade receivable ledger account. So it will come in the credit side. Dishonored check. Dishonored check also give an increase to the trade receivable ledger, so it will come in the debit side. Cash sales. As I told you, the sales ledger account actually means trade receivable ledger account. So the cash sales have nothing to do with the trade receivable ledger account, and the cash sales will be ignored totally. Credit sales. Yes, credit sale increases trade receivable ledger and it will come in the debit side. Credit note issued. We issue the credit note because the customer has returned the goods to us. So this is actually the sales return. And sales return always decreases our trade receivable ledger and will come in the credit side. Discount allowed. If we are giving discount to our customer, it will decrease our trade receivable and it will come in the credit side. Bad debt. Bad debt also decreases our trade receivable, or you can say the sales ledger. So it will also come in the credit side. Requirement. State 2 benefits of using control accounts. Answer. 6 points are listed here. You can give any 2 benefits. It provides total of debtors and creditors. It identifies errors. It is a deterrent against frauds because we can cross-check the sales figures with the individual account figures. It checks arithmetical accuracy. It checks efficiency of staff. It calculates total sales and total purchases. Requirement 2. Prepare the sales ledger control account for March 2017. Balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st April 2017. This is the ledger of Umar. Opening balance will come in the debit. As I told you, the amount owing by credit customer is actually the opening balance, so it will come in the debit side. Credit sale is increasing the trade receivable or the sales ledger, so it will come in the debit. Dishonored check will come in the debit. Interest charge from the customer on due amount will come in the debit because it's increasing the trade receivable. Amount received from credit customer will come in the credit. Sales return for which we had issued credit note will come in the credit. Discount allowed is also decreasing our trade receivable or the sales ledger, so it will come in credit. Bad debt written off. That means these accounts will not be recovered anymore. They are also decreasing the trade receivable, so it will come in credit. After posting all the amounts, find the total debits. Subtract the total credits from the total debits, and the difference amount of both the sides will be written as the ending balance or the balance carried down. With the balance carried down, we will rule off the ledger account on both sides. The total will be same. The same carried down balance will become the opening balance for the next month. On 1st of next month, we'll mention it as the balance brought down for the sales ledger of Mr. Umar. So this is how the sales ledger control account is to be prepared. Like, share, subscribe. Commerce Lecturer Online.